So I bought these for my controller. They actually work really well. They have different sizes, so you can choose whichever side fits your needs. The only downside is they are kind of a pain to put on. What I did was I kind of just squeezed them, the little lip under it, and kind of just maneuvered it around the actual joystick until it actually was fully on there. Other than that, they're great. I do like the size difference. Makes gameplay a lot easier, at least in my opinion. So I definitely recommend these for sure for your joysticks on your controller for your PS5. Definitely would recommend. They work like a charm.
You better leave me alone.